Annyeong everyone, this is Ju from SoJooCars, and today I'm here in Pit Stop Motors, and this is the 2022 Hyundai Veloster N. This is not your ordinary Veloster, not an ordinary Hyundai. If you're new to the channel, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Thank you. In our channel we say 시작. This 2022 Hyundai Veloster N starts at 2,750,000 pesos SRP. But please do contact Mr. RG Mendoza so that you can have a better price. So you can see this one has the Mother Mary color, the sky blue, with nice red accents, with jewel-like daytime running light, LED headlight with high beam and turn signal in halogen. So many curves. Yes, some fake vents, but these ones are active with red accent, nice looking front fascia. Look at this dynamic type of front grille with the N badge, brushed aluminum. It just looks special when you see this. But when you look from here, it kind of has the shape of a Mustang. Two-tone alloy wheel with Hyundai badge, with TPMS, with the brake caliper in red with N. Comes with P0 tires. The size is 235/35R19s. Comes with ventilated disc braking system for the front and the back. Black gloss finish side mirror with side repeater, blind spot monitoring, fully powered, keyless entry system. You have a single door here. This is a Hothatch. Very hot, look at that. Carries the N badge. More side air vents, carbon fiber. Look at this spoiler. Not as loud as the Type R, but look at the shape. The top mount brake light here. Just look at this spoiler. Wow, it reminds me of Aventador or Reventon. This is the rear. There you go. The sensors are here, comes with backup camera. The sound of the exhaust is fantastic. Diffusers, just take a look at that. Huge twin pipe exhaust system. Music to your ears, my ears, everyone's ears. You can open the trunk like this. Here in the trunk you get subwoofers, light, and okay, a tire repair kit. But everything that comes from Korea will be given to you. The button is here. Now, it is not so dramatic when you see the door. It looks normal. More N badges. Are there more N badges? Let's go inside. This is the dashboard area of the Veloster N. You will see immediately this sky blue or purple colors. Drive mode, it has 5 drive modes. The N mode, it's like more than the Sport Plus mode. Plus you get this NGS button, which is like NOS. Yes, a real NOS-like feature that you can boost your car for 20 seconds. It also has active steering wheel assist, cruise control, paddle shifters that follows the steering wheel, automatic, lighting system, manual windshield wiper. Here on the left, blind spot monitoring, lane keep assist, instrument cluster, brightness control. This is the start of the Veloster N. Analog gauges, but there's a screen in the middle with the N badge right there. Some pattern also behind the arrows. LED cabin lights with sunglass holder. Lighting system with mirror. It's in black. It doesn't extend. Also the same for the passenger side. Now this is an auto dimming room mirror. These things are for Korea, for that ETC. Touchscreen monitor with N mode. You can control a lot of things like torque, turbo, coolant temperature, speed, G-force. Yes, this is actually what I did earlier. So not so much. I didn't do like a track. So it definitely records all those things. The push start button. Now, this vehicle has backup camera with guided trajectory lines. Nice quality that you can see in other Hyundai vehicles. 112 volt and 2 USB ports. Lots of space here. Traction off button. Yes, you get heated seats, heated steering wheel. Automatic transmission with N mode with the N badge right here. Manual handbrake, perfect for your track car. Bigger cup holder, smaller cup holder. Center console, just the center console. Now the seats are nice because this is in Alcantara. It's nice. So yeah, lots of plastic, but I think Toyota Yaris also has lots of plastic. This one comes with JBL speakers all around. Also a speaker here. Yes, look at that. Bucket seats with Alcantara and leather, manually adjusted. Still comes with heated seat if you need that. This third door, normal door, but with JBL speaker. The amenities you get here in the second row are cup holders, some compartment. There is no armrest, but just look at this nice look of this bucket seat. This one is a really practical car that you can use with your friends as well in speed. Oh, and look at this. It follows the color of the body. Okay, let us try the performance aspect of this Veloster N, only available here in Pit Stop. Wow, it comes with front collision warning as well. Wow, we're in N mode right now, which means this 2.0 liter that has 275 horsepower and 350 newton meters of torque has turned into a beast of 377 newton meters of torque. Now the fun doesn't end just there. Oh, wow, I can hear the pops. The fun doesn't end just there. This vehicle also comes with steering assist. It actually steers you to be in the lane. This vehicle doesn't have adaptive cruise control. That's one thing that's funny, but it has other controls that you might expect in premium vehicles. Now, there is also a button here that's called NGS. Okay, NGS. This is like a boost function that you can find in cars like Porsche. So it will start a 20-second counter. It is gonna give you extra boost, meaning it has more than 377 newton. That's crazy for this tiny vehicle. This is definitely a hot hatch that can compete with GR Yaris, Type R. Well, Type R is not a hot hatch, but still, the competitors are there, like Volkswagen GTI Golf. Alright, so this is one fast Hyundai. Let's go in N mode. We are gonna paddle shift. There, the pops is something that you will enjoy. That's why you would want to floor it all the time. Now, the torque and the power you feel, you will forget this is a Hyundai because you don't get that in Hyundai. But this one you do. Let's try that. Wow, that is fantastic. Downshift. Yeah, it's definitely boiling there at the back. Using the paddle shifter is always fun, but not everyone gets to enjoy using it because you're not used to it. Now, this paddle shifters they have good size. It follows the steering wheel. Whoa. Whoa. I want you to take a look at the shift meter. Very F1 style, very Ferrari-like, and it is in a good position where you can see it very well. Okay. So today there are lots of cars. It's quite difficult to test it out. Oh yeah, and then the comfort is also there. Because like when you ride in a Lotus, when you ride in a, let's say, in a Miata, you will feel all the things in your butt. Now this one coming with 19-inch wheels, with P0 tires. Wow, the comfort is different from those. So definitely this is a drivable car. Okay. Ooh. The pop is coming from the exhaust. Wow. Wow. I don't know if there's fire coming out, but oh yeah. The steering. Oh. The steering becomes really stiff, you know, really responsive in this N mode. This is our last hurrah, but we can use the NGS. It's getting good traction. It's very flat. It gets good grip. You know, this one has lots of aero, like functional air vents, nice this diffuser spoiler. This definitely is designed to go fast. It is designed to be aerodynamic. One touch turn signal. Did you see that? It is linear but very fast at the same time. It is linear but really fast and quick. Only those who tried driving this will know what it feels like. This Veloster N is starting at 2,750,000 pesos SRP. Now I'm sure this is a negotiable price, so please do contact Mr. RJ Mendoza here at Pit Stop Motors so you can get your unique 2022 Hyundai Veloster N with NGS and track mode or N mode. Thank you everyone for watching this video. This was Ju from SoJooCars. If you want to purchase this one, please do contact Mr. RJ Mendoza. What a fantastic vehicle. May your dreams come true. Annyeong!